Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube saying, "An error occurred, please try again later," when using Brave browser. If you are trying to watch a YouTube video and you see this message with a playback ID, don't worry. This is a common issue for some Brave users, and the first fix is very simple. First, refresh the YouTube page. You can click the reload button at the top left of the browser, or click inside the address bar and press enter. Now wait for the video to reload and check if it starts playing. If the error still appears, the next step is to turn off Brave Shields for YouTube. Open YouTube in Brave browser. Now look near the address bar and click the Brave Shields icon. After that, turn Shields off for YouTube. Once you disable Shields, Brave should automatically refresh the page. Now try playing the YouTube video again. In many cases, this fixes the playback error because Brave Shields may block something YouTube needs to load the video properly. If it still does not work, close Brave completely and reopen it. Go back to YouTube and test the video again. If the error keeps showing, try another browser as a quick test. Open Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser, then go to YouTube and play the same video. If the video works in another browser, then the issue is most likely connected to Brave browser settings, Shields, or extensions. You can also try disabling Brave extensions one by one, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions, then reload YouTube again. So the quick fixes are: refresh the page, turn off Brave Shields on YouTube, restart Brave, disable extra extensions, or test YouTube in another browser. And that's how you fix the YouTube. An error occurred, please try again later. Playback error on Brave browser. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to Error Genie for more tech fixes.